Have you ever dreamed of living in one of the richest and most beautiful countries in the world? Imagine earning a European salary, enjoying a high standard of living, working reasonable hours, and having a pathway to permanent residence for you and your family. Well, Norway might be exactly what you're looking for. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Norway Work Visa in 2026. We'll cover Norway Work Visa requirements, in-demand jobs in Norway, average salaries, visa costs and processing times, permanent residency options, step-by-step application process, and most importantly, how you can legally move to Norway as a foreign worker. So make sure you watch until the end because missing one detail could affect your visa application. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I regularly share opportunities to live, work, study, and immigrate abroad. Now let's get started. Why are so many people moving to Norway? Norway is one of the most developed countries in Europe and consistently ranks among the best countries in the world for quality of life. The country is known for excellent salaries, low unemployment, strong worker protections, political stability, free or affordable healthcare, beautiful natural scenery, family-friendly policies. But perhaps the biggest attraction is the growing demand for skilled foreign workers. Many Norwegian employers are struggling to fill positions in several sectors, creating opportunities for international candidates. Industries hiring foreign workers. Norway currently needs workers in sectors such as engineering, healthcare, information technology, renewable energy, oil and gas, construction, skilled trades, manufacturing. If you have experience in any of these fields, Norway could be a very attractive destination. And here's some good news. While learning Norwegian can improve your opportunities, many international companies operate primarily in English, especially in the technology and engineering sectors. How much can you earn in Norway? Let's talk about money. One of the biggest reasons people move to Norway is the earning potential. Many skilled workers earn between 52,000 and 75,000 Norwegian kroner per month. That's a very competitive income compared to many other countries. Your salary will depend on factors such as occupation, education, experience, industry, location. Generally, highly skilled professionals in engineering, IT, healthcare, and energy sectors earn the highest salaries. Benefits of working in Norway. Besides high salaries, Norway offers several advantages. Strong work-life balance. Most employees work around 40 hours per week. Norwegian employers place a strong emphasis on personal well-being and family life. Pathway to permanent residence. Many work permit holders can eventually qualify for permanent residence after meeting residency requirements. Family benefits. Eligible workers may be able to bring their spouse and children. Safe and stable environment. Norway consistently ranks among the safest countries in the world. Excellent public services. Residents enjoy access to quality healthcare, transportation, and social services. Norway Work Visa processing time and cost. One question many people ask is, how long does the Norway Work Visa take? Generally, processing can take anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks depending on your case and application location. As for the application fee, applicants should expect to pay the official visa processing fee, along with any additional service charges if applying through a visa application center. Always check the latest fees before applying since they may change. Types of Norway work permits. There are two main pathways many foreign workers use. 1. Residence permit for work. This permit allows qualified foreign nationals to live and work in Norway. Approval is usually based on factors such as education, qualifications, skills, employment offer. 2. Skilled worker permit. This is one of the most popular options. To qualify, applicants generally need relevant qualifications, A full-time job offer. Skills matching the position. One major advantage is that skilled workers may later become eligible for permanent residence after meeting the required residence period. Norway Work Visa requirements. Before applying, you'll typically need valid passport, completed application form, passport photos, job offer, accommodation information, educational certificates, work experience documents, updated CV or resume, financial documentation, additional supporting documents required by immigration authorities. It's extremely important that all documents are complete and accurate. Even small mistakes can delay your application. Step-by-step Norway Work Visa process. Now let's go through the application process. Step 1. Secure a job offer. Your first goal is finding a Norwegian employer willing to hire you. Without a qualifying job offer, obtaining a work permit can be difficult. Step 2. Gather your documents. Prepare all required documents carefully. Double-check every document before submission. Step 3. Complete the online application. Submit your application through the Norwegian immigration system. Step 4. Book your biometrics appointment. You'll usually need to provide fingerprints and photographs. Step 5. Pay the application fee. Ensure you keep proof of payment. Step 6. Submit your documents. Submit your application package to the appropriate embassy, consulate, or visa center. Step 7. Wait for processing. Immigration authorities will review your application. Processing times vary depending on workload and individual circumstances. Step 8. Receive your decision. If approved, you'll receive your work authorization and can begin preparing for your move to Norway. Tips to increase your chances of approval. Before applying, keep these tips in mind. Apply as early as possible. Make sure your job offer meets immigration requirements. Submit complete documentation. Use a professional CV tailored to Norwegian employers. Ensure your qualifications match the position. Keep copies of every document submitted. Follow all immigration instructions carefully. These simple steps can significantly improve your chances of success. Final thoughts. Norway remains one of the best countries in Europe for skilled foreign workers. With strong salaries, excellent quality of life, family benefits, and a pathway to permanent residence, it's easy to see why so many people choose Norway as their destination. If you're serious about building an international career, Norway should definitely be on your list. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is planning to move abroad. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.